This video shows how to create a new version of ACBLscore Plus. I'll explain what's going on in the background there in a moment, but right now I'm going to try and connect to a site and it won't let me connect because the server's not running. This is showing the current list time. So what's happened here is I started and I want to create a new version of ACBLscore Plus. This is the version ACBL has. So I create a directory to store everything in called user interface 10309. What I then do is copy all the files from the repository. Here's the repository. So we're copying all the files and putting them in this new directory. Two files we need to edit. One which is for the name of the database. Each instance of ACBLscore Plus is unique. I do have other versions running on here, so I'd need to change the database name. And then we need to change the port number that it will run on. Just finish running the setup script. So I now run a script to start the application. So all we've done, copied files, changed the database file, we've changed the port number that it will connect to. We ran a setup script. It takes about 2 minutes to run, but it's loading in a whole bunch of ACBL members or practice members. That's why it takes a couple of minutes, and it's now running. So when I now reload this page, it is running a new version of ACBLscore Plus. So the entire time from start to finish is it's under 3 minutes, and all you're doing is copying files, editing two files, and starting the process. So that here is a new version of ACBLscore Plus. There's two default clubs installed, so it comes up with one of them by default. But that's all it takes to create a new version of ACBLscore Plus on a developer system. This would not be intended to be final installation for a customer. This is to be able to get it running on a server. So that's the amount of work that you have to do for that.